Hey everyone, in this video I want to talk about Python data classes. Let's say if you use class point x integer, y integer, y int, self dot x equal to x, self dot y equal to y, and then you need to define representation method also, so something like this. If you use the data class decorator in Python, it automatically generates 5 special methods for you: init, representation, equal, hash, and string. Let's do a quick example that highlights the difference between representation and string. First, we're going to start with the person class. So if we want to print first name, we'll do person.firstName. So if we want to concatenate the strings like a first and last name together, we can use the string method to do this. So this is the recommended way of doing it, using a string method to achieve this. You can also use the representation to achieve a similar result, technically, but it's generally not recommended. The primary purpose of representation is to provide an unambiguous string representation of the object, typically used for debugging and dev. So it is expected that the string returned by the representation should be valid Python code that, when executed, would create an object with same state. So on the other hand, a string is meant for a more human readable representation, and it's also used by functions like print. String is generally a good practice to keep representation focused on providing a detailed, unambiguous representation, and reserve the string for a more user-friendly, readable representation.